welcome to the third and final practice of this 3 audio series. And in this session, we are going to be bringing the last 2 practices together. We are going to start with a deep body scan meditation, allowing us to feel our bodies deeply from awareness. And from there, we are going to allow an emotion to surface. We will locate where in the body it is and begin a process of feeling it fully. And as we begin this process, make yourself comfortable, either sitting up or lying down, with your eyes open or closed. And we are going to begin by bringing your attention to the breath, in and out through the nose. And next, we are going to unhook our awareness from our thinking minds. And without knowing exactly how this is done, just follow your intuition and unhook your awareness. And with this awareness, begin focusing on the top of your head and feeling this part of your body deeply from within the skin and inside your head. Feeling it fully. And now bringing your awareness down to your forehead, eyes, nose, cheekbones, ears, both sides of the jaw, mouth, chin. And now noticing your entire face and feeling deeply from within, from awareness, not from thought. And now bringing your attention down to your throat. And again, feeling your throat and neck deeply from within. Now bringing your awareness to your collarbones, shoulders, biceps, triceps, elbows, forearms, top of the hands, palms. Now bringing your attention to your upper chest. And again, feeling deeply from within, from inside your chest. And scanning down just a little bit to your heart space. And just resting here for the next couple moments, and feeling what it feels like to be aware from here. And now bringing your awareness down to your stomach. And again, feeling deeply from within. Now bringing your awareness to the back of your head, back of the neck, back of the shoulders, upper back, scanning down to your middle back, and down to your lower back. And noticing your entire back, feeling deeply from within, feeling your spine, being aware from here. And now bringing your awareness to your hips, thighs, hamstrings, top of the knees, back of the knees, shins, calves, top of the feet, bottom of the feet. And now bringing your awareness to your entire body. Feeling fully from this place of awareness. Now, from this place of awareness, invite an emotion that is ready to be felt. It could be something that causes some level of emotional discomfort. It could be a fear, sadness, grief, or any other emotion. Don't try to search for it. Just allow it to come to the surface. And as it comes to the surface, become aware of where in the body the sensations are. Bring your awareness to that part of your body. Feeling the shape of it, the texture, the temperature, the movement or stillness. And again, this is being felt from awareness, not observed from thought. There's no need to label it, no need to explain it. Just feel it as pure sensation. And now saying to yourself, I welcome this emotion. I welcome these sensations. And as you welcome, allow the sensations to be felt fully. Just sitting and allowing. And if your mind comes in with stories, notice the stories and return back to the body. Returning back to awareness. Awareness that is unhooked from thought. And now feeling how the emotion has changed. Maybe it's dissolved. Maybe it's softened. Maybe it's still there. And just allow whatever is there to be there. And continuing to rest in the body. And now you've just remembered something important. You don't need to escape your feelings. You only need to feel them fully. From a place of presence and awareness. And now let yourself rest in this space for as long as you like. No effort, no goal, just presence. Allowing and accepting.